Hey, Sister Lee.
Uh-huh.
Have you changed your name tag again?
You mean this? This is not a name tag. This is a very popular export of our company called bacteriostatic tag.
Bacteriostatic tag? Haven't heard of it.
Don't underestimate this bacteriostatic tag. It can kill bacteria and viruses in 1 cubic meter of air.
Is it true? Does it work?
Just look at an experiment with me to see if it works. Welcome to the experiment. Now let me show you the experiment. To verify whether this bacteriostatic tag has any effect, I cut this in the morning, then divide it into 2 halves and put it in 2 beakers respectively. On the left is a bacteriostatic tag, but not on the right. Let's take a look. Can we see it? The apple on the left is still very fresh, while the apple on the right has become oxidized and yellowed. Let's take a close-up without web glow, which may make it clear. Look, this is the result of the 3rd day. Look, this is the result of the 5th day. Chlorine dioxide release and safety experiment of carrying antibacterial tag. This is a professional chlorine dioxide detector, which uses a pump-type suction method to detect the concentration of chlorine dioxide in the air. Now, the chlorine dioxide content shown in there is 0 ppm. Pay attention to the value. Which is over 3 points now and has reached over 5 points ppm. Judging from what this instruction displays, it provides that our product is releasing chlorine dioxide normally. As I just said, chlorine dioxide below 100 ppm has no effect on human body. It has good effect on bacteria and viruses as long as it reaches 0.1 ppm. Now, chlorine dioxide can also be detected in the air. Let's put chlorine dioxide further away. Let's look at this value. Further away, it is basically about 0.1 ppm. Let's do an experiment to verify the safety of chlorine dioxide. We pour the chlorine dioxide powder just disassembled into the water. Actually, chlorine dioxide has a quite major application, which is applied to the sterilization and disinfection of water. When we pour this powder into the fish tank, it can actually have the sterilization and disinfection effect on the water in the fish tank. Small fish really like chlorine dioxide very much. On the 3rd day, pay attention. The water in the fish tank has not been changed. Our products can be used safely